equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, power off your HP ProBook 450G7 and unplug it. Gather your tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a clean cloth. Begin by removing the screws from the back panel. Keep them safe, you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the back cover. Be careful not to damage any clips. Next, locate the battery connector and disconnect it. This is crucial for safety. Now, you can access the screen assembly. Remove the screws holding the screen in place. Carefully detach the screen from the hinges. Take your time to avoid any damage. Before installing the new screen, clean the internal components with a soft cloth. This ensures optimal performance. Now, align the new screen and secure it with screws. Reconnect the battery and replace the back cover. Remember, for a professional diagnosis without obligation, consider our services. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. Get a quote before repair, with no calls and no travel required. Your HP ProBook will be as good as new. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.